कॉन्शियस हो कि आपके पैर के नीचे एक चींटी भी आ रही है।
हेलो एवरीवन।
यार वाइसेस, तो आप अपनी वाइस को थोड़ा अगर लीश पे रखो तो बेटर है। मतलब इतना भी शरीफ नहीं था कि आउट ऑफ माई सेल्फिशनेस ऑल्सो मे बी आई somehow took some choices also in life. I started it.
Money, is it like fame or is just you?
Happy to get up, happy to do the work, happy to go to gym or take shower or running, happy to be with your family.
Hello everyone. Hope you are doing fine. Welcome to Unseen Lives. Today we gonna take some special interview. It's the person who started.
It's really gonna be a welcome to Vikram bhai. So कैसे है भाई आप? I'm good.
That's really great. And as we have started this channel, I had so many questions prior. People also asked like, who is this person? So, can you please introduce yourself, bhai?
So my name is Vikram Thakur. I basically belong to Mandi district of Himachal Pradesh, which is also known as like Choti Kashi. So what Choti Kashi means is in Kashi there are 81 temples. So that is similar in Mandi also. तो मंडी में भी 81 temples है. So that's why it's known as Choti Kashi. That's all. Yeah.
That's amazing, sir. That's really amazing. And like, just want to check how long the journey was like prior.
It was I cannot say long, but it was different experience each time. Okay. So basically क्या रहता था कि जो experience मिल रहा है I am just going for that and I am just choosing the best experience for myself or my way of living for the future. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि कभी अपनी मतलब इतना भी शरीफ नहीं था कि out of my selfishness also maybe I somehow took some choices also in life. So yeah, that's the whole scenario of experience. You just choose and you live it, then you are a different person.
That's amazing. And I was just checking the concept and the things you are doing for this YouTube thing, you know. That's really amazing. Can you please also show some light on that?
Yeah, sure. Like I started it. So basically, the whole viewpoint of this podcast or YouTube channel is I just want to learn about people. I just want to tell the other people or the other soul that these people also exist in this world. Okay. And I am just going for the people who are giving out their lifetime. See, we are here for a certain amount of time. And if we giving like at least 20% of our time in a certain profession or maybe the generations, तो आप उसमें अपनी लाइफ दे रहे हो. तो इट्स बेटर कि उनकी जर्नी रिकॉर्ड हो, जस्ट लाइक a library of their lives that these soul exist in this world.
And other thing, like, what do you think like a happy life? Is it money? Is it like fame? Or is it just you?
See, अभी मैं उतना ही आंसर दे सकता हूँ जितना मेरे को मेरी एज ने अलाउ किया हुआ है. सो फॉर मी एट द एज ऑफ नियरली कमिंग टू 3 years of age, ये पहले ही बता चुका हूँ, बट आई एम जस्ट रिमाइंडिंग माई सेल्फ. सो वट आई थिंक यू आर हैप्पी टू गेट अप, हैप्पी टू डू द वर्क, हैप्पी टू गो टू जिम और टेक शावर और रनिंग, हैप्पी टू बी विद योर फैमिली. That's, I guess, is a good life for me. Like, if you're doing good and you are happy about it, that's a good life.
हाँ, ये भी है.
भाई है तो है, वही की है.
Yeah.
अभी तेरा जो डालूंगा तो मैं पवन कुमार ही डालूंगा ना, चंडीगढ़ लिखूंगा, पर तू है तो हिमाचल का ही in the end.
So we were just about nature.
चलो ठीक है, स्टार्ट करते हैं.
And also like भाई आप फिर से उसमें तो
चल मैं पूछता हूँ तेरे से, तू अपना माइक नजदीक रख. ठीक है. What do you think कि सेविंग ज़रूरी है या फिर what you are living the moment type thing ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है?
Like I believe both are capable on same ways. As an Indian, we have to do like both things because it also like included government things and the perks as well. So I believe as an Indian, you should go for by age, I believe. If you think like between 20 to 25, it's your time, that's really amazing. And once you go like more than that, you also have to understand so many things, which people accept, people won't accept. And that's how more occupation works, I believe. And same, also just want to check like what is the spiritual views? Are we on a journey or something?
Spiritual views, I cannot again see. It's a individual experience. Matlab, if I say something and which doesn't go by your experience of spiritualism, it's a crime to say something about spiritualism. Matlab, I am not sure if I am spiritual enough to say about spiritualism. So basically, what I feel like कि it's a conscious way of living. मतलब आप एक समझदारी के साथ जी रहे हो, आप कॉन्शियस हो कि आपके पैर के नीचे एक चींटी भी आ रही है. Maybe that is more than enough consciousness for me. That is spiritualism for me, that I am conscious enough that I am stepping on an ant.
Absolutely. And main, as we are about to get this completed, what take should like people take every day, you know, one day advice like, or like 360 way same advice?
You should do better than yesterday. That's a good advice I received earlier. That every day you should be doing better than yesterday. Simple
That's- Right. So you have to add like any point, like adding of more points every day in life.
No, adding of anything which you think is like a obstacle in your path. Like some people smoke cigarettes, some drink, some have another experience of life, some are like कुछ लोग उधारी में डूबे हुए हैं तो
Like Jua and these all different factors we can say.
मतलब there are vices. तो आप अपनी वाइस को थोड़ा अगर लीश पे रखो तो बेटर है. You doesn't have to give all the things to your vice. Vice होना is human enough, but उस पे लगाम लगाना is also human enough.